Hi, this is Rory with Iterate Group. This week I want to talk about developer tasks. So any product owner, any business leader, any leader of development teams has to give the developers tasks. Normally that's in a ticketing system or some type of shared spreadsheet or database to look at what needs to be done and keep track of what's working, what's done, what needs to be completed. But there's a challenge in the tasks in picking the right level of granularity. So if the task is too broad, it has no business value. There's not a specific user that it supports. It's hard to prioritize. It's hard to know what to work on next. But if it's too specific, it has no developer meaning. Developers work very hand in hand. They switch a lot. They have a lot of context switching. And tasks which are way too granular are way too micromanaging on their work. So there's a strategy to kind of split the difference and find something in the middle where the level of granularity that you put on the task matches a user feature, what's called a potentially releasable feature. So if you finish that task, there's a value which is given to the end user. And so if you pick your task granularity at that level and not too broad, where you have multiple user features together, and not too specific, where it doesn't give value to a specific user, one, you're going to be able to prioritize, you're going to have more business information, and you're also going to keep the developers a lot happier because they're not going to feel micromanaged, and they can manage the interlevel tasks smaller than that user feature. So I hope that helps you organize your backlogs a little bit easier. That's something that's really worked for us in our projects. Well, thanks. This is Rory with Iterate Group.